Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. So if you're using a Bybit mobile application, you can easily set it up. Right, the first thing you have to just log in into your Bybit account, then click on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now select account and security from the drop down menu. Scroll down to find the True Google Factor Authenticator option under the advanced protection. Toggle this option to enable it. A verification code will send to your registered email address. Check your email, retrieve the code and enter it in the provided field on Bybit. If you haven't already, download the Google Authenticator app from the Google Play Store, which you can easily do it, and which will look like this, right? So once you set it up, right, you will get this option of syncing and everything. And once you do this, you will able to open the Google Authenticator, tap on this plus icon to add a new account. You can either scan a QR code displayed on a Bybit or manually enter a setup key provided after enabling 2FA. After adding Bybit to Google Authenticator, it will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the code back to your Bybit account setting to complete the setup process. Once confirmed, your Google Authenticator will be linked to your Bybit account. You will need this code for further or future logins and transaction. So this is really an easy way to do it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.